Today we're out in Kleefeld, Manitoba, the land of milk and honey, at our latest listing. We're at 125 Bergen Bay.
Join us inside for your personal tour. There are so many features of this home that I adore, starting with the adorable covered front porch. And inside the house, the shutters that are on the windows, it just adds so much personality. Beautiful kitchen with shiplap trade ceiling, walk-in pantry, ample cabinetry, and a 7-foot island. What do you like, Steve?
Well, I like the fact that there's a couple different options with this property. First off, let's start on the main floor where there's 2 bedrooms. Off the primary bedroom, you have an ensuite and a walk-in closet. Then when you get downstairs, there's a 3rd bedroom and a door that locks so that you could go into an income suite there that has its own separate kitchen, another bedroom that has egress window, and it's even got its own exit to the garage. And its own laundry down there too as well. So you've got so many options with this property, whether you want to use the space as extra space in the house or if you want to rent it out. I really love this backyard with a huge deck, lots of trees, and then you are also so close to the school, just a 2-minute walk away. I want to thank you for viewing this property. If you'd like a personal tour or any information, all of our information is below.
Or if you're looking to turn your realty into reality, call Team Olyniuk today.